Hi, today I'm going to be showing you what I did buy on day 2 of our road trip when we stopped at some antique stores and a thrift store. I've got some great home decor ideas for you and a couple DIYs. So after running my own home decor, vintage home decor business for over 25 years, I learned a lot of DIYs and a lot of tips and tricks, a lot of which you can apply to your home or your business. As you probably know, I'm changing up my color scheme a whole lot in my house, and I was super excited for this first find. This is a dust ruffle, and I didn't want just a plain white one, and I didn't know what I wanted until I saw this one at the Salvation Army. It's a jacquard gold thing. I love the pattern. I love the colors. It goes super well with my favorite find that I got in the day 1 haul. So if you've seen that video, you saw the chair. In my last video, I showed you a brand new antique store that we stumbled upon. One of my favorite things to do, by the way, is stumble upon an antique store, especially one that I've never seen before. Anyway, this one is pretty new on the Lake Huron Thumb Coast, and I thought the guy did a spectacular job with his displays. I did end up bringing home a few things from that antique store, which is called Crooked Fence, by the way. You can look that up. I am following him on Facebook now. That'd be great if you guys could do the same. I don't think you'd be disappointed. He's got some great things. What I brought home was this sheep. Lamb? What's the difference? I think lamb's the baby sheep, right? Yes, that's it. In my gallery wall, I have a bunch of vintage pictures that have sheep in them, and this little guy or gal is going right next to those. I think it was $8. Yeah, I was pretty surprised. So cheap, so cute. The other thing I brought home from the Crooked Fence, I can't get it out today, I don't know why. Anyway, was this oil painting. I told you I love bunnies, and this one doesn't look especially spring to me. It's got all my colors that I'm going for in my bedroom, so I think that's where this is headed. I think it's an original oil painting. The man at the Crooked Fence, why can't I say crooked? Anyway, the man at that store thought it was original as well, because it's signed and it feels like an oil painting. So that's where that's headed. I think I paid $48 for that oil painting, and I think that's a great price, and I absolutely love the frame, so again, well worth it. The frame probably would go for at least $40, right? So yes, it was a great deal. Now if you saw the road trip it was actually day 2 of Lexington, and we went home through Marine City, and I showed you a bathroom actually in one of the stores. It's MC Marketplace. I showed you a lot more than just the bathroom, but what I loved about that bathroom was that framed wallpaper piece. It was huge. It took up most of the wall, so I want to do that somewhere. I'm not sure where, but I love that idea. And when we stopped at the Salvation Army in New Baltimore, I found this tablecloth, which I think I'm going to just put it in a huge frame. I love the colors. It's the blacks and the taupes, and this is pretty white, but that's okay. I don't care. I still love it, and I think that's what I'm going to do with this tablecloth that I paid. I don't know how much I paid for it. Okay, I found it. It was $2.99. Well worth it. It's huge too. Who has a table this big? It's huge. Another thing I got at the New Baltimore Salvation Army was this copper pot for $5.99. You know, the flowers look okay, they're fine, but I thought, well, I'm only going to get it if I can easily remove the flower. So I went like that and went, okay, easily removed, and the cart it went. So here's another upcoming project. I got this vase for $10. It wasn't marked. The girl was walking by. I said, how much is it? She said, how's $9.99? I'm like, it's great, and I will take that. don't love the way it's painted, so that's going to be another DIY project that I'm going to be showing you. And the other thing I'm going to do with it is I bought on Amazon one of those solar powered fountain things. That's what this means, fountain things. I put it in my bird bath, and like I said, it runs on solar power. It was like 12 bucks. It's so cool. So I think I'm going to fill this one with water and put one of those little fountainy things in this too. So I hope you'll subscribe so you won't miss out on those DIYs. And also in our Vintage Edge Collective, my online community, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step directions on exactly how to do all the DIYs. So that link is in the description below, and I hope I see you guys next time. Thanks for being here.